Ian Mutch has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. As you can see, he did a great job on the builds. I'm not sure which one of these is my favorite, but I'm kind of thinking it might be the red one. And the thing about the red one I think I like best is that one has the exhaust on the side, but they're all really cool. There's just something about the way that side exhaust goes that I really like. I do want to also give special thanks to Ian for putting up with having a long delay. See, that one has a side exhaust too, but for some reason on the red one I like it better. Back to what I was thinking. I'd like to thank him for putting up with an extended delay because the first shipment to Canada got lost in the mail system. It never even made it out of the US, according to the tracking. So then there was a delay, and then we were waiting for it to be shipped back. It was supposed to be, and then that never happened. At least it still hasn't happened yet. But got another box to him, and he did all of this great work with it. So thanks again, Ian, for taking the challenge. Everybody, I hope you like these builds as much as I do. Stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.